Alright, here's a LiftMaster battery backup MyQ garage door opener that I've converted to run on the right side of the garage door, making it into a Jackshaft opener. Now this one here, I've got two of these Craftsman 3-button remotes that go along with it. I actually taped together and wired inside this case here the safety beams. I just have the safety beams themselves. I don't have the brackets for it. This one, like I said, has a battery backup to it. And I'll go ahead and run this real quick and see how smooth and quiet it is. As you can see, this one goes a bit slower. I just uploaded a video of a Craftsman, or not a Craftsman, a Chamberlin. It's a whisper drive. It's got a blue case on it. I've got a smaller sprocket on it, and it goes a lot faster, about twice the speed. So if you're looking for something with speed, just let me know and I can swap the sprocket out. But this one here runs nice and smooth. I've got the light covers. I just didn't put them on because I don't have enough room. I'll put a link in the description of that other one so you can see how fast the Chamberlin runs, and so you can swap it out for the other sprocket if you'd like. So just let me know. I'm selling this one for $225 and plus shipping. Shipping is about 25 bucks. And if you got any questions, I'll have my number in the description. You can text me or call me, either one. And yeah, we'll go from there. Hope you like it. Thanks.